Hi, this is the toolbars and the menu bars in Learn to Design in a software called Photoshop. I'm just going to run through and show you guys what the menu and toolbars are. We've gone through opening up a Photoshop document and what is Photoshop. Now, any software is extremely daunting when first you open it, but we're going to go through it. I'm not going to go through every single tool here. I'm going to show you the survival tools or the necessary tools. Believe you me, with 25 years of experience, not all my designers that worked under me or myself used all these tools every single day. We use necessary tools that helped us get our day-to-day job done. First, let's start from the top. This is our menu bar, our top menu bar, where we have Photoshop. If we click on the word Photoshop, you can see preferences, we can see services. We'll go into that a bit more in depthly. File is very important, where we can open files, open up recent. Editing is exactly what it says, when we want to edit the certain items within a document. The image pertains to the image layer. We're going to go through each one as we go through the lessons. But when I say the top menu bar, this is what I refer to in future lessons. Let's just open up a new document for the sake of the lesson. There are a few items here where we can see there's a menu bar on this, there's a toolbar, excuse me, on the side, on our left hand side. If you see there's two little arrows above the toolbar, if we click on that, what happens is that all the tools get compressed into two columns. If we click it again, it gets compressed into one column. This is to help you basically maximize the space in your work area. The nice thing about the software, and I think most computers do it as well, is that if you hover your cursor above a tool, it tells you what the name of the tool is. And this used to help me quite substantially when I first got introduced to Photoshop. It was quite a few years back. The eyedropper. If you notice, even on some of these tools, they have a little triangle. If you click and hold on your mouse, left click and hold and release, you'll find that there are sub-tools beneath it. You'll see not each tool has these little triangles beside it. Like, for example, the zoom tool hasn't got it, but the majority has got it. So there are sub-tools beneath it. And there's our crop tool. If you click and hold and release, there's a sub-tool that we're going to be going through as well. Our selection tool, if we click and hold, we have a quick selection tool and so forth and so on. But when you select each tool, you'll find that the menu bar on top changes accordingly, because each tool has its own little set of menus that it uses to make use of it. And you can see each, it looks very daunting, but we're going to go through each one, and I'm going to simplify it to the max, where you'll make 100% sense of all these tools, or at least the necessary tools that we'll be using. We're going to go to the panels, but that's going to be in the next lesson as well. I'll teach you a few tricks of the panel.